watching you. Look at, oh,
Turn what off?
look at that.
You can turn off the instruments if you want to.
And look at that. What do you think?
Daddy, not like this one.
Wait a minute. Hang on, Jake. See what else is in there. Is there anything else in there?
Well,
Well, let's pull them out. Well, no, come. Here. Oh, and some jeans.
Okay. Is exciting.
Jake, here. Jake. I bet everyone's stopping them. Hey, okay. Let's Jake open his presents. Can you sit down and watch? Jake.
Jump in the water.
Jake.
Jump in the water.
Adam and Rose. You want to have Wayne or just open it? The back. Open the house, I guess. Okay. All right. Hey, Donnie. Can you get his card off the front for me?
Hey, Jake, we can rewind the movie.
Look at those. Frog socks. Frog socks. Oh, do you want to read the card? No, not yet? Okay, here. Those are some cute frog socks, huh?
Can I can't see the frog socks from where I am. I'm still no.
It's a book. It's Nicolini's song. It's a train book. Look at that. We'll have to read it after, okay?
No.
Thomas is having a great time.
Yes.
Socks for Jake.
Yes. Thank you.
Actually, I think you got 8 socks. Maybe 10 socks.
No.
We're going to wait for that because Uncle Ed and Miss Rose aren't here. So we'll wait a little while, okay?
Go open the other one.
Here.
No,
No,
Thomas.
we're going to let Jake choose which one she wants to open. That one, okay.
Hey, Dottie, can I get you to move to your right or left? Thanks.
Either one.
Or you could do that.
Tom. You can go see Daddy. You want to see the camera.
These are rocket balloons. They're flying, screaming rocket balloons.
Wow.
So you blow them up big and you let them go and they go up in the air, flying and screaming. And we can reuse them. Wow. Whoa. No. That's for Jake. Let's see.
Rocket balloon.
Was that fun in a family with your dog?
I will blow up mine. I love it. Thank you, Mr. Car. Okay, people, when I shut it, and then someone just go run and open it and start playing with it when they didn't.
Wow. Like a little boy I know, huh? You a digger.
Digger?
Yes.
Jake's gonna love that one.
Thomas likes the bag.
Are you getting anything besides backs?
No.
Stay back.
I was
Here,
correct. I
Catherine.
thought it was a movie.
Hey, Jake, can you turn around this way and open them?
The tail. That's bro. We see that one.
I've never seen it.
That's bro.
The adults will be watching it later.
If I'd imagine we've seen it before.
You helping him rip the paper, Thomas?
Look this way, Jake. Jake,
Jake, turn around this way and open them, bud.
Daddy can take your picture.
there you go.
Perfect.
That's better.
We are the other black one. Jake, I think you're sitting on
4 years old,
one.
he's figured it out.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah? A little one.
Open it up.
Jake,
No.
you're sitting on one next to a big one.
There we go.
That's all. Oh, it's okay. It was just no, Tom. These are for These are for Jakey to open.
That's another
No.
one.
No.
Another.
Who's that? The Berenstain Bears.
Oh, wow. Those are
Funny.
good.
Not another movie. Yeah, you know what that one is? Maybe it's about
Candies.
what's inside here?
swingy.
Oh.
It walks downstairs.
You can make them walk down the stairs.
Can I open
Sure.
I love those. Now do what color they are? Oh, mine's gray.
Yours is gray.
Let's find out and
We like gray, right?
see.
I think that seal too tight. We don't require, let me have it here.
No, no, Tom, no, no. Finger paint?
Yep.
Finger
Oh, boy.
paint.
Oh, wow. Gonna make
No
a
wall is
picture?
safe.
Hey, look at it with his fingers.
Hang on, Jake, you've got one more.
See?
And then we
You don't-
can
you don't
actually
let
go
the
finger paints at your
Go
house.
here.
No, no, no,
No, no,
no,
Tom,
mine
Tom.
now.
Woo!
I've had them before, but not right now.
Thomas.
Good job, Dottie, that was quick.
Cat-like reflexes. Takes after her father.
Silver, actually.
Right.
Okay?
I'll get it, Susan. Swingy. It's heavy. Can I do it? And it's heavy. Can I try it? Is it
Well, we
really?
kind of need heavy duty to last through all of this time.
Look at that.
Now you have to put the finger paint.
That's finger paint paper.
Okay, Dottie and Mary, put the slinky down.
Wow.
Okay. Now we have 3 more gifts.
Well,
Can you
that
go get them from the guest room? Do you want to do the 2 that are unwrapped first?
Sure.
Okay. If you'll bring those and then we can.
We couldn't figure out how to wrap these, Jake.
Yeah. So you'll just have to get them unwrapped. You want to open the card?
Is that from Denver?
Yes. Grandpa Joe and Granny.
Ooh, Jake's getting a gift card. You know, you get gift
I
cards
think
after school
they have
every-
figured it out.
You
Hey, that
always
sounds a
get
lot
gift
easier.
Just gotta close your eyes. Grandpa's coming with one of them.
We always
Close your eyes.
Oh,
Oh,
my goodness.
what is that? Something to box.
It's a boxing bag.
Scooter.
Tom likes that.
Yeah, what about how do you get the these off?
We'll get them off. We don't need them off yet.
Cool.
Thomas has figured it out.
You like that?
Cindy,
Gotta put it on the chest and let
Whoa,
it-
whoa, whoa, put it down on the ground.
Tom Tom.
What can I try? Can I
Okay,
try?
you've got some other stuff.
Can we wait?
Alright, Jake, close your eyes.
Okay,
Yeah.
Jake, close your eyes.
Hey, there you go.
Close your eyes.
Jake,
Close
just-
your eyes. Close your eyes. Welcome.
A scooter with training wheels.
A Spider-Man scooter.
With training wheels so that you don't fall off. Yeah. Of course, my scooter doesn't have training
This is for an all-star boy. Let's see. You get a gift card to Toys R Us.
I'm a
Is the
boy.
other one?
Listen, Jake. From start to finish, hope
Get
your
it.
day's a winner. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great birthday, Jake. Love Grandpa Joe and Granny Tia.
Is the other one in the?
Blue,
In the crib. Okay. Jake, you have one more.
Close his eyes.
You don't have, this one is wrapped. Daddy, can
Daddy?
you get off of his scooter? Thank you.
My
No, no, oh, I need.
scooter. My scooter.
Thomas.
He really likes that.
A big blue
Tom Tom, put the
bag.
boxing thing down.